Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your AC in a Mitsubishi Outlander. We'll cover the simple steps to get your air conditioning blowing cold again. First, we'll discuss the necessary tools and safety precautions. Then, I'll guide you through finding the correct service port and connecting your charging kit. Finally, we'll review how to add refrigerant properly and check the system's pressure. Before starting, gather your supplies. You'll need an AC recharge kit, typically containing an R134A refrigerant can and a charging hose with a pressure gauge. Always confirm your Outlander uses R134A, usually found in the owner's manual. Safety is key, so put on your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from chemicals and moving engine parts. With your engine running, turn your AC to its coldest setting and the fan to full blast. Now, locate the low-pressure service port under the hood. It's usually on the thicker AC line and has an L cap. Remove the cap, then securely attach the charging hose connector to this port. Ensure it clicks into place to prevent any leaks during the process. Once connected, slowly open the valve on the refrigerant can. As the refrigerant flows, gently shake the can to help it dispense evenly. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your hose. Stop adding refrigerant when the gauge indicates your system has reached the recommended pressure range. Overcharging can damage your AC, so be careful not to exceed the proper level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.